let's see how to use the Face Retouch tool in Canva. For your information, why people use it, it's because for enhanced appearance, and people use face retouching to make their photos look more polished and professional, especially for social media, portfolios, or profile pictures. Also, the tool helps remove blemishes, smooth out skin, and brighten features, giving a more refined look. So, for you to able to achieve the face retouch, you just have to follow these steps. First, you need to access or create a new design, and then select on the upload so for you to able to upload your photos that you wanted to enhance or even use the retouch tool. So after that, you just have to click the edit button at the top, and then once you click the edit button, just scroll down and onto the FX effects, navigate to the face retouch and click it. After clicking it, you can now choose whether you wanted a smoother skin or a lighter skin only. So for difference, I will just zoom this in so that you can see the difference. So when I modify it, you can see that it is retouching the person's face. So that's how you use the face retouch tool in Canva. See you soon.